AES was launched in 1990 as a business unit of a major engineering company in Japan. Since then, AES has delivered hundreds of projects in over 30 countries, utilizing the manufacturing and engineering skill sets as developed in the automotive industry. AES has provided a comprehensive service of the complete automotive production line, starting from process and layout planning, equipment design, procurement, shipment, installation, quality build-up, all the way to maintenance. Experience in other business sectors extend to construction machinery and railway vehicles. Also, factory automation for pharmaceutical and semiconductor plants, conveyance systems, and treatment of nuclear energy waste disposal, all requiring special environmental working conditions. AES is at the forefront in deploying rapidly advancing information technologies for manufacturing facilities, resulting in the realization of smart factories. Starting with the review of required production volume, AES will study the plant layout, equipment specification, utilizing 3D CAD and simulation software, and provide the client with optimized proposals. Once the basic design is finalized, AES will proceed with detailed design and equipment procurement, shipping and installation, and ensure quality build-up until start of regular volume production. AES has successfully completed a significant number of projects at the highest quality standard. AES will continue to provide the best solutions and most efficient production lines by employing the latest AI, robotics, automation, and IoT technology, tailored to value-seeking clients in any business sector. AES, Advanced Engineering Services.